Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn that how government department of Saudi Arabia calculating zakah for the companies. So I will share with you inshallah the calculation by using Excel. So everything will be clear and according to the financial statements. What are the things we need to keep in consideration when we are going to calculate zakah, and we will do everything in Excel. So let's start from the beginning. As you know, we have here the ABC company Zakat calculation at 31st December 2019. Net profit for the year we need to write here, adjusted by end of service benefits charged for the year. This value is the expense, the end of service benefit expense. And here payment of end of service benefits, these are the benefits which we have paid. And any traffic violation, donation or gain or disposal of asset, like some assets we have disposed of and we get something, so we have to mention here in minus figure. One is the payment of end of service benefits and gain on disposal of assets. These are in minus, so the total is gonna be these values. Enter. Next is the calculation of zakat. We need to take in consideration the equity capital on 1st January 2019. This value. Retained earning 1st January 2019. This value. Statutory reserve 1 January 2019. This value. Dividends 31st December 2019. These are the dividends which we are going to show in our profit and loss statement after the net profit. So this figure should be in minus, and after that we will make total of all these figures. Next we need to add provisions. Provisions, end of service benefits on 1st January 2019. How much was the provision? And provision for the bad debts or the doubtful debts, we need to mention here the value if there is any. Next, add loans and amounts due to partners. Loan, long-term loan should be value here. Dividends payable, value should be here. Amounts due to related parties like the partners should be like here. So total of these figures will be here. And the next is, this is the total of equity, this portion, provision, this portion, and amount due to related parties, this portion. So here we have total for 1, 2, 3 areas. Now we need to minus non-current assets. Non-current assets are our fixed assets. So property and equipment's net book value of assets for zakat purpose. Net book value is that value which comes after deduction of accumulated depreciation. When we are making balance sheet, this is in positive, but when we are going to calculate zakah here in this formula, which I'm going to share with you the sheet also, I will paste a link below in my video. This figure we need to write in minus, not in plus. Also investment properties, so this figure also in balance sheet is positive, but we need to write here in minus figure. So our balance is coming in minus. So when we are making total of these two, total equity, provision, amount due to partners and non-current assets, so our total comes here. This figure plus this figure. Here is less, but you know this value is minus, so we need to put here plus. So this is the value at the end. So zakat income or loss for the year, this is the first one here, and zakat base is total of these two figures. Total equity, provision and amount due to partners plus less non-current assets. So it comes with this value. So zakat base is 2.5% for all Muslims. So zakat is calculated by 2.5% of this value, zakat based. Now when we need to record the zakat provision, we need to make a journal entry of zakat expense debit with 536,000 and Zakat provision credit with 536,000. In 2019, Zakat charged for the year is 536,000. Adjustment from the previous year is no, there is no value. So total value charged for 2019 is 536. Now let's see the ledger of Zakat provision. The movement in the Zakat provision was as follow. At the beginning of the year, it was 607,625 before the payment of 2018 to the Zakat department. In our provision ledger, our balance was this. Provision provided during the year Zakat provision is 536, which we have calculated earlier. So this is 2019 Zakat and this is 2018 Zakat, as you can see here. So payment during the year, because after the 2018 we are going to pay our Zakat in 2019. So we paid this value to Zakat department. So at the end of the year, we are with the value of 536,864. So now when we are going to pay this, so what journal entry we need to pass is Zakat provision debit and credit the bank. When we are going to pay, we are paying through bank. Our bank is decreasing and Zakat provision is debit because we made our provision here credit. So our balance, ledger balance of the Zakat provision will be 0. So this is the Zakat calculation according to the Zakat department in Saudi Arabia. So I will share with you this Excel sheet also. Please look into it and you will calculate your provision every year before any hesitation or before checking the Zakat portal. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like my today's video. Please subscribe my channel so I will be keep motivated to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.